I'm out here in an area that is going to attach Winter Garden to Clearmont. Everything you see behind me back there is Clearmont. It's wild. Everything out here is brand new. I mean, when I do a 360 walk around, you can see that all raw land. There was nothing out here forever and ever. But as you can see behind me over here, that's a whole brand new section as well. These are all new homes. They got thousands and thousands of new homes getting built out here. It's incredible. I'm going to show you some drone footage as well up in the air. And I'm going to show you a couple of the new neighborhoods out here as well. But this road's not even open yet. It's going to be open very soon. So it's going to come right through here. This road will take you right over to Winter Garden. Going that way, going this way, which is west, you'll connect to Clearmont. And so now that's going to be major. They also have a brand new highway over here that's going to connect to Haines City. So this is a complete merger of Winter Garden, which is west of Orlando, with Clearmont all the way out. And there are so many new people moving to this area. You need help. I can be the agent of choice for you to help because there's tons of new houses to go through. Anything you need, I can try to help you figure out what you want. So get a hold of me, Greg, with myperfectdreamhome.com. You can go to that website, get a hold of me, reach out to me, text me, email me, whatever you need. I'd love to help you with anything you need. I'm using Google Earth. I want to show you an aerial, and then I'm going to actually show you some scenes from the road. So there's Orlando. Come out to the west, there's Winter Garden, and you see further west, there's Clearmont. So I'm going to keep zooming in. It says Horizon West. There's Magic Kingdom, Disney, all that's over there. Keep going in, and then, okay, that's the 429 there. That's Walmart. And then this road, so the 429 is going north and south. If you see that road, I'm turning it this way because you can't even see the road now. That road that you see right there is the Avalon Road. And then, so the road I'm going to show you, which you can't even see from Google Earth, goes all the way out to Clearmont. It's not open yet, but it's going to be open. So I'm going west now, and as you see me scrolling back out, look at all that raw land. That's miles and miles and miles of raw land. It goes down all the way to Kissimmee. And that other road there is 27. Everything's being built out here. Thousands upon thousands of new homes. Construction that absolutely boggles my mind. So I wanted to just show you the aerial, and I'm going to show you the drive I was doing was actually coming from Clearmont area on that new road going east towards Winter Garden, doing that. So that's what you're going to see next when I show you this. So here's the new road. I'm going east on this road, and the development's crazy out here. I'm speeding up to go faster so it doesn't take you long to see it. But this is stunning, and just incredible growth. If you want to know more details about everything that's going on out here, all the builders, all the homes that are available, current homes that are on the market, get a hold of me. I'd love to be able to help anybody out. This is going to be one of the most desirable areas to live in all of Central Florida. And the beauty is, if you like Disney and the Magic Kingdom and all those parks, you're not that far from there. I showed you just on that aerial where it is. You can probably be there in about 20 minutes. This road's not even open yet, but it's going to be open soon. Wild. And that's the end.